Asking cabin crew questions. Let's get started. Listening. Good morning, sir. Welcome aboard. May I assist you with finding your seat? Good morning, sir. Welcome aboard. May I assist you with finding your seat? Good morning, sir. Welcome aboard. May I assist you with finding your seat?
Good morning. My seat is 43G. Good morning. My seat is 43G. Good morning. My seat is 43G.
That would be the extra legroom seat near the exit. Would you please put your suitcase in the overhead bin? That would be the extra legroom seat near the exit. Would you please put your suitcase in the overhead bin? That would be the extra legroom seat near the exit. Would you please put your suitcase in the overhead bin?
The bins are full. Could you please help find an empty bin? The bins are full. Could you please help find an empty bin? The bins are full. Could you please help find an empty bin?
Certainly. Let me check it for you. May I help you putting away your suitcase in the overhead bin? Certainly. Let me check it for you. May I help you putting away your suitcase in the overhead bin? Certainly. Let me check it for you. May I help you putting away your suitcase in the overhead bin?
Much appreciated. I would like to keep my laptop case myself. Much appreciated. I would like to keep my laptop case myself. Much appreciated. I would like to keep my laptop case myself.
Sure. Please put your personal items, including your laptop, under the seat in front of you. Please take your time. Sure. Please put your personal items, including your laptop, under the seat in front of you. Please take your time. Sure. Please put your personal items, including your laptop, under the seat in front of you. Please take your time.
Could you please hang the coat up for me? Could you please hang the coat up for me? Could you please hang the coat up for me?
Definitely. We'll put it in the coat closet at the front and return it to you after landing at the destination. Definitely. We'll put it in the coat closet at the front and return it to you after landing at the destination. Definitely. We'll put it in the coat closet at the front and return it to you after landing at the destination.
Could I have a blanket, please? Could I have a blanket, please? Could I have a blanket, please?
Yes. I'll bring it over right away. We're happy to be serving you. Yes. I'll bring it over right away. We're happy to be serving you. Yes. I'll bring it over right away. We're happy to be serving you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now showing the video about emergency equipment. Please read the safety instruction card in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now showing the video about emergency equipment. Please read the safety instruction card in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now showing the video about emergency equipment. Please read the safety instruction card in front of you. Excuse me, sir. We're about to take off. Could you please turn your electronic devices off or switch them to airplane mode? Excuse me, sir. We're about to take off. Could you please turn your electronic devices off or switch them to airplane mode? Excuse me, sir. We're about to take off. Could you please turn your electronic devices off or switch them to airplane mode?
My apologies. How can I get internet access to email on the plane? My apologies. How can I get internet access to email on the plane? My apologies. How can I get internet access to email on the plane?
You can stay connecting with work by using our in-flight Wi-Fi service. It'll be available when we fly at an altitude of 10,000 feet or more. You can stay connecting with work by using our in-flight Wi-Fi service. It'll be available when we fly at an altitude of 10,000 feet or more. You can stay connecting with work by using our in-flight Wi-Fi service. It'll be available when we fly at an altitude of 10,000 feet or more.
Can I use the Wi-Fi service on my mobile phone as well? Can I use the Wi-Fi service on my mobile phone as well? Can I use the Wi-Fi service on my mobile phone as well?
Yes. You can switch internet access between electronic devices. You can connect one device to internet at a time. Yes. You can switch internet access between electronic devices. You can connect one device to internet at a time. Yes. You can switch internet access between electronic devices. You can connect one device to internet at a time.
Would you please show me how to set up the connectivity for my laptop? Would you please show me how to set up the connectivity for my laptop? Would you please show me how to set up the connectivity for my laptop?
Glad to help. The steps are straightforward. I can enable the service for you later. Glad to help. The steps are straightforward. I can enable the service for you later. Glad to help. The steps are straightforward. I can enable the service for you later. Excuse me, sir. Please also keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. Excuse me, sir. Please also keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. Excuse me, sir. Please also keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be serving dinner shortly. Please put your seat upright and lower your tray. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be serving dinner shortly. Please put your seat upright and lower your tray. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be serving dinner shortly. Please put your seat upright and lower your tray. Thank you. Hello, sir. We've braised beef with spaghetti and baked fish with potatoes. Which one would you prefer? Hello, sir. We've braised beef with spaghetti and baked fish with potatoes. Which one would you prefer? Hello, sir. We've braised beef with spaghetti and baked fish with potatoes. Which one would you prefer?
I'll have the fish, please. I'll have the fish, please. I'll have the fish, please.
Here is your meal. We've a variety of soft drinks such as juice, sodas, and fountain water. What would you like to drink? Here is your meal. We've a variety of soft drinks such as juice, sodas, and fountain water. What would you like to drink? Here is your meal. We've a variety of soft drinks such as juice, sodas, and fountain water. What would you like to drink?
Can I have apple juice and a glass of water? Can I have apple juice and a glass of water? Can I have apple juice and a glass of water?
Sure. Coffee and tea will be served later. Please enjoy the meal. Sure. Coffee and tea will be served later. Please enjoy the meal. Sure. Coffee and tea will be served later. Please enjoy the meal.
Thank you. Could you please give me an extra bun? Thank you. Could you please give me an extra bun? Thank you. Could you please give me an extra bun?
Definitely. Would you like a whole grain or white bread? Definitely. Would you like a whole grain or white bread? Definitely. Would you like a whole grain or white bread?
Whole grain bread, please. I'm truly thankful. Whole grain bread, please. I'm truly thankful. Whole grain bread, please. I'm truly thankful.